Hey, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do a day in the life. Coming up next with my friends. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode, we're gonna do a day in the life of the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. And I'm here with my friends too. Before we dive in, make sure you click like, click subscribe, and sign up for our free weekly keto meal plan down in the description link below. Now let's dive in. So I'm super excited. I'm headed towards a grass-fed beef farm. They do pigs, chickens, Cornish hens. Like, they do a lot of cool meat stuff. I've never been to a working farm before. Like, literally where I'm gonna go see the cattle in the grass-fed like area that they're in and how they're humanely treated. I'm super stoked to go here. Skyview Acres farm. I'll put their information in the description link below, but I'm very curious because I've never been. I don't know. And so this will be a new experience for me, but I really am interested, and potentially we will buy our meat from this local farmer moving forward. I live in the Shenandoah Valley and they're in the Shenandoah Valley. So I'm curious to see, like, I have no idea. I'm from Northern Virginia area, although my family is Southern, so they were farmers back in the day, but I'm curious to see. I'm like super curious. I'm super curious. So let me take you along on my journey. And yes, I did wear my espadrilles on the farm.
Come on. Come on.
Hi, friends. One of the coolest experiences of my life. Like, seriously, it was so cool to see exactly where the meat is that I'm eating, and the grass-fed meat, where it's coming from. Like, it's from literally, I know where it's coming from now. Like, it's always been questionable, like at Costco or Walmart or whatever, at the grocery store, where is it coming from? And I literally just saw the pastures and the food that they're eating and the land that they're coming on and the practices that they use to help humanely raise these animals. To me, was extremely, like, I will not support a local grass-fed farmer moving forward. Like, I'm putting the stake flag in the ground with our family moving forward. This is now for grass-fed meat. Like, it's a non-negotiable for the ketogenic diet for me now. Just having seen now what this involves, it's really, to me now, like, I'm super glad I came here. I'm super glad I came here. So it's not even 10 a.m. and I've already had like a life-changing epiphany. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And I know getting these grass-fed meats will help further my ketogenic diet weight loss journey. Like, this is the natural progressive step for me, that it may be a little bit financially more than what we're paying, but great. I firmly believe in grass-fed meat because it helps the environment too. So I'm very curious. I'm very curious with the keto diet. I know this is going to be a natural next step, so to speak. The Trenta iced coffee with no heavy cream, no classic. I'm sorry, no classic. Just a little heavy cream.
Anything else?
And then can I also please get Trenta iced green tea with no classic?
Trenta iced green tea.
And for that iced coffee, I'm sorry, can it just be like a teaspoon of the heavy cream?
Anything else?
That's it. Thanks so much.
All right, let's get there. Thank you.
Thanks. The breakfast of champions. So this is exactly what I ordered. There you go. No liquid cane sugar, which is called classic. So that's my green tea. And I do add 5 drops. That's for my body. You do what's best for your body, but I add 5 drops of the Miss Lizzie's thyroid support into my coffee to help with my hypothyroid.
And I'll put the iodine information down below in the description.
So I just cooked some leftover frozen hamburger meat that I had pulled out last night to have for a keto meal, and it's hamburger. I put some cheese on there, some mayonnaise, and then also some basil pesto. I'm really craving high fats, so that's what this keto meal is going to be, is a lot of high fats.
How cool is this butterfly that landed on our door? Like, this is the coolest thing. Just sat there for a while and let me just look at him. It's so freaking cool. So I like to test my blood glucose and also my ketones 90 minutes after I eat, 90 minutes after I wake up. Some days I do this a whole bunch and some days I don't do this at all. It just kind of depends, but I do like to track it to see, okay, how are my ketones doing? Am I in ketosis? How's my blood sugar doing? Like, what are the exact readings? And the Keto Mojo is what I use for that, which I'll put down in the description link below. I like how they I like their system. It's much easier than some of the other ones I've used. On this particular one, I did mess up my reading. It was total user error, nothing to do with the Keto Mojo. So I ended up doing a different strip on it, but I do love tracking this to see what my ketones are, to make sure that I'm in ketosis and that I'm on the beam with the ketogenic diet. It keeps me accountable.
So I went out to go pick up dinner, which I'll show you guys in a minute. Our keto dinner, and for the first time ever, not ever, but for the first time in over a decade, maybe 13 years, I wore shorts. I'm not going to show you guys because I'm just not there yet. I am not there yet, but I wore them for literally 15 minutes to go get our pickup order of my steak that I have. But I wore shorts. They're a little tight. They're a little snugger than I want them to be. I wanted 2019 to be the summer of shorts. Anyone else feel me on that? Put down below shorts. If you don't wear shorts, which I normally don't, but I had my summer goal was to start wearing shorts. So I wore them for 10 minutes, 15 minutes to go pick up my food, my keto dinner. And now I'm going to go take them off, put my pants back on. But I felt a little bold, a little daring, a little Zaza Zoo. So anyways, let me go in and show you what my keto dinner was. Hi friends. So I ended up having a delicious T-bone steak with some vegetables from a local restaurant here in town and did some pickup. Y'all, I have pushed myself the past few weeks, and you got to know when to hold them, know when to fold them. So I'm folding them tonight. I'm going to bed really early. I feel like I've done so much the past few weeks. My schedule's been so enriched. We have a bunch of different businesses and with our foster mentee and our 4-year-old, almost 4-year-old, and being a wife. And like I just know as part of my weight loss journey, I've learned I need to slow it down. And that the ketogenic diet and with intermittent fasting that I have got to listen to my body. If I don't, I get sick. And so this is one of those days like, I'm taking it easy. I have the flexibility in my schedule today just to kind of relax, chill it out, sit and go watch a movie with my little boy. We're going to watch Frozen and like just really just be. And that's one of the things that my keto weight loss has taught me is really to stay in my body and like listen to my body. And my body's telling me, slow it down. You need to stop. So I'm going to stop. It's been an awesome day though. It's been so awesome. Hey guys, if you love this video, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe, and sign up for our free weekly keto meal plan down in the description link below. See you guys again next time. Bye guys.